So, the first chapter of business studies, business, trade, and commerce. So, we are going to start with the concept of business. Before that, bete, you should know that business is an economic activity. We have already studied about the meaning of economic activities. Any activity which is, happening around you for the purpose of earning money, any activity undertaken for monetary gain, that is an economic activity. Many people are engaged in activities around ourselves. Your mother must be busy cooking food for you. Around you, there might be maid sweeping your floor, doing dusting, or helping your mother in the kitchen, washing dishes, right? Uh, your father might be going to his own work for, even if whatever work he is engaged in. So now that we are sitting at home, otherwise just imagine jab aap school jate the, so you would see many people around you who were engaged in one or the another activity, like there could be, rickshaw puller pulling the rickshaw, auto rickshaw driver, a bus driver driving your bus, then peon doing his work in the school, teachers teaching in the school, principal ma'am taking rounds or sitting in the office. So around yourself, or any shops around yourselves, in the canteen, owner selling, samosas and cold drink to you people. So all these people, or you might have seen people going to mandir, going for walk, right? Or doing some charity work. We can see these days, because of the problems which we are facing, pandemic problem, many people, they are busy doing charity. They are, making the oxygen cylinders available to the people free of cost. They are providing them food. So all these are activities which different kinds of people are engaged in. So it's the time we classify these activities. Of all the activities which I have mentioned right now, some activities, they are performed for the purpose of earning money. For example, right now I am teaching you. So my purpose, I am doing job in the school for getting remuneration in the form of salary. So this is an economic activity I am engaged in. But your mother, who is cooking food for you right now in the kitchen, she's not going to earn any money out of it. She's doing it for the sake of love and affection towards you. So that obviously is not an economic activity. That is an non-economic activity.
Excuse me,
Similarly,
ma'am.
your father, who has gone for his work at some place, he's bete, your father, he has gone for work to earn money for you people. So again, the activity in which your father is engaged in, that is again an economic activity, right? Tuck shop seller selling you pen, canteen wala selling you samosas, cold drink, peon doing work in the school, driver driving your bus, auto rickshaw puller, rickshaw driver riding his auto, or rickshaw puller pulling his rickshaw. All these people are doing these activities for the sake of earning money. So all these activities will be classified as economic activities. Whereas people who are going to mandir, who are going for walk, they are doing it for their sentimental value, for their health value. These are non-economic activities, right? Now, for depending upon the nature of these activities, we classify these economic activities into three categories: business, profession, and employment. Business, profession, and employment. So we will be
मैम
starting
ये किस
with
चीज
the
की है?
first economic activity, which is business, right? So how do we define business? So how do we define business? Better, business is defined as an economic activity involving the production and sale of goods and services undertaken with the motive of earning profits by satisfying human needs in society. बिजनेस बेटे कौन से वर्ड से बना है? बिजनेस बना है वर्ड बिजी से. सो इट्स एन एक्ट ऑफ कीपिंग यू बिजी. इसकी सिंपल मीनिंग, लेकिन ये एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव नहीं है, राइट? सो इवन दो इट इज मेड फ्रॉम द वर्ड बिजी, so the act of being busy only is not business. Business basically is an economic activity, that is an activity which is done for the purpose of earning money, and this activity involves the production and sale of goods and services. ठीक है, उसी एक्टिविटी को, उसी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी को बिजनेस कहा जाता है जिसमें गुड्स या सर्विसेज की प्रोडक्शन और उनकी फर्दर सेल की जाती है. ठीक है, और ये क्यों किया जाता है? विद द मोटिव ऑफ अर्निंग प्रॉफिट. And how the profit is earned? By providing such goods and services which have the capability to satisfy human needs in the society. Right? So you can note down the definition of business. Business refers to an economic activity involving the production and sale of goods and services undertaken with the motive of earning profits by satisfying human needs in society. Let's discuss the various features or characteristics of business. First characteristic बेटे, business is an economic activity. ठीक है, business वो एक्टिविटी है which is done for the purpose of earning money. When you fill your form, there is one column, occupation of your father, occupation of your mother. So some of you might have written their business. So why your father or mother is engaged in business? The sole purpose of doing business is to earn money. अगर आप कोई भी ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं जिससे आप मनी नहीं अर्न करना चाहते हैं बेटे, तो वो बिजनेस नहीं हो सकता. Business is an economic activity because it is done for the purpose of earning money. Now, what kind of activity is business? What kind of economic activity is business? Business involves production or procurement of goods and services. So the meaning of production means manufacturing. Business involves manufacturing of goods and services. So if anyone who is engaged in, producing these markers, these blackboards or laptops or mobile phones or cloths or specs or cells, anything, any good which has the capability of satisfying your wants, any person who is engaged in production of all these things, even production of wheat, rice, cotton. So if you are engaged in production of any good or of any service, like hospitals, they are providing services, health services. Schools are providing education services. Transportation services are being provided to you. shipping, insurance, banking, all these are services being produced, right? So those engaged in production of goods or services, they are doing business activity. Business not only involves production, it also involves procurement. Goods can be either produced or procured. Procured का मतलब है बेटे obtained, which means bought. So if any of your parents is a shopkeeper, that is, he buys goods from the manufacturer and sells it to the customer. So again, he is involved in what kind of economic activity? He is involved in business. Why? Because business involves production or procurement of goods and services. So any manufacturer of good, any buyer of good who is buying goods for the purpose of selling it, he will be called as businessman, and his activity will be classified as business activity. So beta, this is the second feature of business, that business involves either the production or procurement of goods and
मैम इसके स्पेलिंग बताना प्रोक्योरमेंट के.
yes.
मैम स्पेलिंग बताना इसके.
Beta, don't ask such kind of questions. Beta, procure, PROCURE, procure करना means obtain करना. ठीक है? Now any kind of good or service can be produced. The goods can be consumer goods like cloth, like these markers, like chalks, like blackboards, right? Or fans, or mobile phones, laptops, washing machine, refrigerator. Or it could be capital goods like, you know, machinery, tractors. Or it could be production of services like transportation, like banking, like insurance, education, health, etc. So any kind of activity which involves production or procurement of goods or services will be classified as business activity. Right? So we already did that it is an economic activity involving the production. So यहाँ तक हमने फीचर्स डिस्कस कर लिए. आगे देखते हैं. And sale of goods and services. ठीक है बेटे, ये जो प्रोडक्शन हो रही है, ये प्रोडक्शन या प्रोक्योरमेंट एक पर्सन अगर फर्दर सेल के लिए करता है, only then it will be classified as business activity. Sometimes we produce goods and services for our own consumption. Like I told you right now, your mother might be cooking breakfast for you. Why is she cooking? She's producing something, right? Why is she producing? Is she producing it for sale purpose? No, for satisfaction of her own wants. So that activity, even though it involves production, she's producing chapatis, she's producing vegetable, she's producing pulses, but is this production going to be sold in the market? नहीं बेटे, ये मार्केट में बिकने के लिए नहीं जा रही है, तो ये बिजनेस एक्टिविटी नहीं कहलवाएगी. On the other hand, if your mother is cooking food for, you know, commercial purpose, कुछ वर्किंग लोग हैं और जो फैमिली के साथ नहीं रहते हैं, वो टिफिन लगवा लेते हैं. तो अगर आपकी मदर टिफिन बना के उनसे, you know, मनी अर्न करती है, 100 रुपीज पर टिफिन और 50 rupees per tiffin, then the food she is cooking, that is the production she is doing, that is for the purpose of sale. Now that activity which is done for the purpose of sale will be classified as business activity. So when you are defining business or you are classifying or identifying any activity, क्या ये बिजनेस है या नहीं है, चलो मैम ने आज हमें बिजनेस का मीनिंग बताया है, तो हम एक एक्टिविटी करते हैं। एक बच्चा एक्टिविटीज बोलता है, दूसरे को आइडेंटिफाई करनी है कि ये बिजनेस एक्टिविटी है कि नहीं है। ठीक है, तो अगर बच्चे ने बोला मदर कुकिंग फूड इन द किचन, देन अगर फॉर योर सेल्फ है, हर सेल्फ है या फॉर फैमिली है, देन इट इज नॉट बिजनेस एक्टिविटी. On the other hand, if she says mother cooking food for selling it, then it is classified as business activity. Many girls these days, they have started baking cakes at home. For they take orders and then they sell the cake. So what kind of activity are they engaged in? Anyone? All right, so let's move ahead with the next characteristic of business. Deal in goods and services on regular basis. बेटे जो भी आप एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो, चाहे वो गुड्स की प्रोडक्शन है, चाहे वो प्रोक्योरमेंट है, आप उसको अगर सेल करने के लिए कर रहे हो, तो यू हैव टू, इफ यू आर सेलिंग योर गुड्स ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, only then this activity can be classified as business activity. If you have produced a commodity, you have sold it, by selling it you have even earned profit, but you are not selling it on regular basis, we cannot call it as business activity. So again I am asking you one question कि मेरी स्टूडेंट है, उसने केक बनाने सीखे, उसने उसको केक का ऑर्डर आया और उसने केक बना के प्रॉफिट अर्न करके उसको सेल ऑफ कर दिया। देयर आफ्टर उसको कोई ऑर्डर नहीं आया और वो सिर्फ घर में केक बना रही है अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के लिए। वुड दैट एक्टिविटी बी क्लासिफाइड एज बिजनेस? She has produced,
No.
she has sold, she has earned profit, earned money. So why are you not calling it business? Because she's not doing it on regular basis.
Regular basis.
Right? One time transaction, even if it is done for profit earning, even if it involves production or procurement, even if it has been sold, but if it is not being done on regular basis, it will not be classified as business activity. Is it clear, bete? The activity has to be done on regular basis. So even if you say an activity to be classified as business should be done for the purpose of earning profit. Any activity which is not done for the purpose of earning profit will not be classified as business activity. अभी आजकल के टाइम में कितने लोग देखो, हमें ऑक्सीजन की शॉर्टेज है, तो कितने लोगों ने इवन गुरुद्वारा में ऑक्सीजन का लंगर लगाया हुआ है. You can go there, you can take oxygen, come back home. Now, the activity which they are performing, बेटे it involves procurement. वो ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर लेके आए, ठीक है, और वो रेगुलर बेसिस पर भी अगर दे रहे हैं, पर वो उससे क्योंकि प्रॉफिट नहीं अर्न कर रहे हैं, तो उनकी इस एक्टिविटी को हम बिजनेस नहीं कहेंगे, वो चैरिटेबल एक्टिविटी है. बहुत सारी बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्कूल्स वगैरह खोल देते हैं. वहाँ स्कूल में वो क्या करते हैं बेटे, सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, रेगुलर बेसिस पे बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन इन सब करते हुए, ये सब करते हुए वो प्रॉफिट नहीं अर्न कर रहे, वो चैरिटेबल पर्पस के लिए एजुकेशन सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं. तो क्या उनकी एक्टिविटी को हम बिजनेस कह सकते हैं? बोलिए.
No.
No, it's
No,
not
ma'am.
business. because it is not done for the purpose of earning profit. So any activity which is not done for profit earning will not be classified as business activity. Okay, time is up. Rest we will do tomorrow. कल तक ये definition बेटे learn होनी चाहिए. First thing I am to do is going to listen it from you, right?